Hello, friends. Today we will dive into the amazing world of creativity and talk about the psychology of creative thinking, how to develop and maintain creativity, how to find inspiration when it seems that there is none at all. If you have ever asked yourself these questions, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will look at what creativity is, how our brain works when we create something new, and how we can develop our creativity in everyday life. What is creativity? First of all, let's figure out what creativity is. Creativity is not just the ability to draw, write, or play a musical instrument. It is the ability to see the world differently than everyone else, find unusual solutions to ordinary problems, and generate new ideas. The psychology of creativity studies the processes and mechanisms that underlie creative thinking. When we talk about creativity, it is important to remember that it is not limited to artistic or musical directions. Creative thinking is necessary in any field, be it science, business, education, or just everyday life. It helps us adapt to change, find new approaches, and overcome difficulties. How does the brain work when we are creative? Research shows that when we are creative, our brain works in a special mode. Various areas of the brain are involved, including the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for planning and decision making, as well as the area associated with processing emotions and associations. When we come up with something new, these areas work synchronously, helping to generate original ideas. In addition, creative thinking is often associated with the so-called flow state. This is when you are completely immersed in the process, forgetting about time and the world around you. It is in this state that the brain most effectively creates new ideas and finds unconventional solutions. How to develop and maintain creative thinking. Try something new. The first step to developing creative thinking is to get out of your comfort zone and try new things. The more you expand your horizons, the more connections your brain forms, which helps develop creativity. Try a new hobby, learn to play a musical instrument, learn a new language, or simply change your route to work. All of these things stimulate your brain and help it work more flexibly. Allow yourself to make mistakes. One of the biggest barriers to creativity is the fear of making mistakes. Many people are afraid to try something new because they don't want to seem inept or stupid. However, mistakes are an integral part of the creative process. Allow yourself to make mistakes because it is through mistakes that we learn and develop. Look for inspiration in the world around you. Look for inspiration in a variety of places. It could be a book, a movie, music, a walk in the park, or a conversation with a friend. The more you immerse yourself in the world around you, the more opportunities there are for new ideas. Write down your thoughts, take notes, and collect ideas that seem interesting or unusual to you. Practice mindfulness and meditation. The practice of mindfulness and meditation helps clear the mind and improve concentration. When you train your mind to be in the moment, you learn to focus better and find unconventional solutions faster. Meditation also helps reduce stress, which often blocks our creative thinking. Create a creative environment. Create a space around you that will inspire you to be creative. It can be a room filled with flowers and books, or just a cozy corner with your favorite chair and a cup of tea. It is important that you associate this place with creativity and inspiration. Communicate with creative people. Surround yourself with people who inspire you. Communicating with creative and unconventional people helps us become more creative ourselves. Exchange ideas, ask questions, learn from others. Interacting with creative people helps you expand your horizons and see things from a different angle. And in conclusion, creativity is not a gift that only a select few are born with, but a skill that can and should be developed. Practice, explore, push the boundaries, and you will be surprised at how creative you can be. Remember that creativity is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process. Allow yourself to experiment and be inspired by the world around you. Thank you for being with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, friends.